in this problem, they haven't given us the radius, and in your problem, they might have not given you the arc length or the angle, but it's all the same. So r, we don't know. Theta is 110, and the let's say the arc length is going to be 30. So the formula for, let's say, the arc length, normally this is just represented as an L, is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So we know what this is. The arc length is 30, which is equal to 110 over 360 2 pi r. And we don't know what r is. So let's first start sorting this all out. We can get 30, which equals 22 pi r over 36. Let's multiply both sides by 36. So that's going to get 1080, which equals 22 pi r. Then we're going to divide both sides by 22 pi. So I'm just going to cancel that out there and do it here. So you get r equals this. So therefore, r will equal 540 over 11 pi. I'm going to keep it as a fraction because if we simplify at this point, it's going to change the solution at the end because we now need to plug this in. So now that we've got this and we've got the radius, we can find out the area of the sector. The formula is A equals theta over 360 pi r squared. So basically pi r squared is the area of a circle, and this is a fraction of that circle. Pretty straightforward. So A equals 110, which is obviously the amount that we're looking at, over 360 pi, and then r squared, which is here, is 540 over 11 pi. I should have actually put this pi underneath. It's going to make a difference. Squared. So that's then going to be 11 over 36 times 2916 pi. But you can see I've squared this. So I squared that and I squared that. So you're going to have pi squared under here and pi there. So they can cancel out one set of pi's, and then you're only left with one. So that's why it's vanished from here. So now if we simplify again, you're going to get 3 to, I don't know, 600. I'm just doing this in my head. Divided by 4356 pi. I think that's what that is. So let's do, what's that? 3.14 times this is going to be 1140.50, and then this is going to then be 2673. Yeah, that's that simplified out a little bit. And that means if we now simplify it again into centimeters squared, you're going to get 234.3 centimeters squared. So this here is the area of this sector. The only thing to look out for is when you're presented with the problem at this stage, maybe they'll give you the radius but none of this. All you have to do is just substitute in everything there, and whatever the term is that is unknown, rearrange to solve that. So yeah, we're done.